Morning. Happy Tuesday. How's everyone doing? Morning, morning. Welcome. So, mm, today, what I'm expecting today is a little bit choppy market, honestly. We have CPI coming tomorrow. We have PPI also on Thursday. So, I think yeah, and we have Apple event today. So, yeah, I do think we maybe have a choppy market today. Maybe just bounce like ping pong from support and resistance, like daily support and resistance. But we'll see what's gonna happen. So, my main watches are Microsoft because I'm still on Microsoft calls. I'm been posting my swing trades or my A plus setups on Desi's Discord. So I'm in Microsoft calls. I want to see Microsoft holding 335, 334, ideally 335, 336, but it will be either yesterday's low or Friday's high. I want to see that level like holding there. Um yeah, this level holding here, even though it has a still have a gap to fill till a little bit above 334, but everything is like that. Like SPY and the Q have gaps at the top and gaps at the bottom, and I don't like when the market is like that because I feel it can go either way and it can be a little bit choppy. So I need to watch the gaps at the top, at the bottom, and also the support and resistance that created yesterday, which is different than the gaps. um so okay, I'm looking Microsoft to see if either I'm gonna add more calls and maybe for next week or just need to get out. The other one that I'm looking is Tesla, 270, 268. We want to see holding that level, either 268, 270 for continuation to the upside. Um, and if tech is weak today, I like Nvidia for the downside. Like I think Nvidia closes the day with a bear flag yesterday and it's under 450. Well, at least when I post my watch list, it was under 450. Let's see if Nvidia is still under 450. Yeah, it's even lower. So if it's at 447. So if I see a bounce to 450 and I see that it's having trouble here, that's my main watch for puts. If I see the market kind of having trouble, if I see a market like bouncing and having trouble around there, so if I see Nvidia having trouble there, I will look for Nvidia to play the downside. If Nvidia breaks 450 and use it as support, it might be a good opportunity to play the upside. So yeah, that's the other one. That's Nvidia. AMD is also looking weak, kind of weak, just like Nvidia. But I kind of like that 450 level on Nvidia. So if you guys don't want to play Nvidia because it's too expensive, you can play AMD, which is pretty much it kind of moves the same way. But yeah, that's my plan. SPY, I don't like how SPY and the QR because, like I said, they both have gaps at the top and at the bottom. Gaps are I put the blue areas on my chart for gaps that I know we have gaps there. So yeah, right now SPY is kind of at yesterday's low, which is when with lower we still have a gap to fill. And the Q, it's a little bit different because it's at that 375 level that I've been watching for a few days. So we want to see the Q holding either 374.50, 375 for more upside. But like I said, today might be a weird day. I don't know. I kind of have I also look in Apple. I'm not gonna trade Apple today because we might have like a weird premium because the Apple event today. But I'm just checking the chart how Apple is gonna move today so I can kind of have a bigger. Ooh, Nvidia's already dead. So Nvidia went out without me. Nvidia just died. I hate when that happen. I hate when the market just moves too fast, like the first like 2 minutes. The first minute the market open, like I don't like that. Well, let's see. Microsoft's looking weak. Um, yeah, Microsoft is definitely looking kind of weak. Tesla is looking strong and is bouncing from that 170 level. So if can Tesla break pre-market high, I might look to enter Tesla calls. But like always, I'm gonna be patient here. I'm not really eager to trade anything today. I'm just gonna wait and see. Morning, morning, morning. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, I like that bounce on the Q. I like that bounce on the Q. I want to see Microsoft holding here, 335. And Tesla. Tesla might be a good one here. I'm getting in on futures here on NQ because I like this 375 hold on the on QQQ. So I just got on there. Let's see, my stop loss is gonna be 375. Under 375, I'm out. Tesla's looking pretty weak. What is Apple doing? Apple is having troubles around 180. Let's see if the Q is gonna fill this gap here that created from pre-market, and the same with SPY. On the under 268, 270, I think Tesla is gonna go to 266. It's looking very weak. Okay, Nvidia is at that 450 area. So if the Q loses 375, I might play shorts on Nvidia. But so far it's holding 375. Morning, morning. Yeah, I like that whole of 375, and Nvidia is above 450. I added a little bit to Microsoft just because it's holding. I like that it's holding there. I like that it's holding there. I like that it's holding 335. I kind of like these Tesla hold, but I find it a little bit risky. I don't know. Nvidia's gone. I'm gonna take a shot on Tesla weekly. My stop loss is gonna be that morning like low that week to 270, getting to 70 and 280. It's I it that one is risky because I think Tesla is looking a little bit weak. Apple is very weak. I think Apple is the one that is dragging the market down. Nvidia is holding 450. Like this hold here can be a good one. So if we hold 450, I think Nvidia can go higher. But I will wait for a little bit consolidation around 450, 451. And yeah, your next resistance 456. I'm not gonna take Nvidia because I already have I'm playing Tesla, I have the Q, I have Microsoft, I have futures playing the Q, so that's a lot. That's too many things. Yeah, I'm almost I'm 1K up on futures. And ooh, yeah, Tesla is looking pretty good. Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna break this resistance here, this pre-market resistance here. To gap up? What do you mean? The gaps are like pre-market and aftermarket. So I'm gonna start logging some profits here. Okay. I'm only holding two runners on micro and Qs. We want to see Tesla breaking this high. It's pre-market high. And I like how Microsoft is looking. Microsoft is looking great. Even though it's been like a very slow mover, Microsoft, it's holding 335, so that's my level. And the same with Tesla, like 27. Look, this was my pre-market level. Hell yeah. And we're running. Anybody on the queue with me? Or Microsoft? Or Tesla? So I'm up 600 on the two runners that I have. Nice. Tesla is up 52%. That play on the 280 calls, I'm up 52%. Anybody took Nvidia? That's an ugly reaction here on the queue. Damn, Tesla. I added a little bit more there. If I see a pullback to... No. SPY flagging, so I think we're going higher. I read bought a little bit more there. No, I got in. Why short at support? No, no, no. But Apple is very weak, very very weak. We had a clear rejection of 180, so that maybe it's gonna make the market like having trouble going higher. I'd add it here on the queue, but let's see, if loses VWAP and I need MA, I'm gonna get out. But it's kind of looking weak. I don't love it. What is Apple going? Okay, 178. Morning, morning. Yeah, I really like how Microsoft is looking. Obviously, Tesla is looking fantastic. The Q is also looking great. Same with SPY. It's SPY is kind of having trouble here at this pre-market high, but it's kind of, it looks like it's consolidating at with the VWAP and INEMA. But Tesla is looking amazing. Let's see if Tesla can break yesterday high. I'm all out on futures because I don't know. I don't know. I think we're looking weak here. And Apple is having trouble, a lot of trouble. So I want to see Apple finding support. And yeah, and the Q breaking this resistance here. But yeah, the thing, like, I'm having trouble trading here because um Apple is extremely weak. It's going lower like hard. I think it's gonna go to 178 the support here. If loses that support here, the next one is gonna be 174. So Apple is not looking too good. This might be a weird head and shoulder here. And if you break this neck, yeah, it's gonna go way lower. So that, I think that's gonna drag the market down. I don't want to trade Meta, honestly. Meta, it's been too weird the past few days. And with a, like I said, like pre-market, I think we're gonna have like a choppy market today. So Meta is a no for me today. And we want to see Tesla breaking here, like breaking this yesterday high. We need Tesla breaking yesterday high. I'm gonna start taking profit on Tesla because that's a clear resistance level. I'm up over 62%, so I'm gonna start taking some profit here because why not? Also, it's too far from the 90 EMA and the VWAP. But, but, Nvidia and Tesla are very strong. So, both are holding very good above previous resistance, now acting as support. So, Tesla, I think Tesla wants to go to 280. Microsoft is looking pretty weak. If I see Tesla using yesterday high as support, I'm gonna add more because yeah. Now I wanna see some type of consolidation here to add more Tesla because I think it's gonna go to 280. It has a little bit of resistance around 276. Anybody on Nvidia? Nvidia was perfect. That broke 450, retest 450, and now it's going higher. I don't know. Airbnb yesterday needed to close strong and it closed weak. So no Airbnb for me. I will wait for next week. But um let's see. Meta. Meta is definitely looking weak. I will not try Meta unless it breaks 209 and use it as support. But Meta is doing nothing again. Like it's looking weak, but it's holding this 305, 304 support. So yeah, I will not trade Meta unless like it breaks this daily uptrend or breaks 309 and use it as support. But so far, it's looking weak here. Like if it loses this support here or keeps rejecting VWAP, it could go easy to 301, which is a big, like that's a lot. 301, 302. Airbnb. Ooh, yeah, Airbnb broke 147. That was the level to enter. Like right now it's too late. But if can break 150 and use it as support, the next one is 152. So it's Airbnb. If you enter in the morning, you're good. But if not, I will not enter here. That it moved a lot already. Nvidia's pretty strong. Beautiful trade on Tesla. Let's see if we can hold here. I'm gonna enter. Ooh, but I think it ran already without me. Let's see if I can get a pullback. I only got a one. Let's see if I can get a little bit more. I want like a pullback around here. 376, it will be perfect with the VWAP and INMA. I just got one because I think I entered late. Yeah. Yeah, my entry was pretty late, so only got a one. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. If I can get like, if QQQ can go lower here and give me some consolidation here or a pullback here, I'm gonna enter 4 more micros. Or maybe a mini. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna give me a pullback. Well, at least I'm getting 180. Tag is definitely stronger than Spy. 100 people here, only 35 likes. That's no bueno. In fact, that's pretty bad. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do here. Like the Q, it's about to fill the gap, and it's gonna be at resistance. Here, 376, 80, 377, around there. And SPY having a lot of trouble with this pre-market resistance here, pre-market high. Tesla is killing it. 280, guys, 280. That's my PT on Tesla. Microsoft is being a pain in the ass. It's doing nothing. And it's acting weak. It's right in the middle of a gap. Like it's having trouble with yesterday's low, but it's not moving lower to fill the gap. It's just there. Just there. Thank you, Brian. If Spy can boom boom here and break this resistance, Tech is gonna fly because it's already stronger than Spy. Yeah, adding a little bit there. There's a big rejection, but we want to see the Q holding here. Yeah. Okay. I'm in with 5 micros. So my stop loss is gonna be if it loses the support here. Well, with 5 on each account, so in total I have 30. This group has 6 accounts. Apple is just dead. Tessie, beautiful. Beautiful. Tesla's looking great. Pretty strong. Let's see. Yeah, 280. It can go a little bit higher than 280, but I'm gonna get most of my profits around 279.60 around there. Okay, so um Apple keeps dying. It's very, very weak. We want to see Apple holding here 177, 178. Looks like that head and shoulder that I was talking about, it's going. Like it's going. Under 177 is done, so it's gonna go to 174. You look at this support here. If I see Apple going lower to 177 and bounce and reject here, I'm gonna get puts on Apple because I think Apple can go to 176, 175, or 174. Mm, Oracle? Mm, what do you want me to say? Like Oracle like is dead. Like look, not even like one good bounce. Wait. Like I don't know what you want me to say here because it's dead. Like not even one bounce. Look at daily. The daily, horrible. In fact, it looks like it wants to go even lower. Oh yeah. Oracle, it's using 112 as resistance. So, and it's filling the gap. So watch how it's gonna act around 110 and 109.60. That's the level you want to watch. But yeah, Oracle is dead. But right now it's kind of in the middle of the gap. So it's filling the gap. If you're in calls, I will take some profit here because uh, the market's having a lot of trouble here. It's looking weak. Even though it's kind of holding, it's looking weak. So we have resistance around 376. Okay, let's go. Yeah, SPY is pretty weak. Let's see. But Tesla and Nvidia, beautiful. I don't like Intel. I don't like how Intel move. It move very, very slow. Very, very slow. Nvidia, baby. Nvidia and Tesla. I don't know. We need Anthony. We need to wait and see what's gonna happen because remember, we cannot trade on what we think it might happen. But yeah, so far Apple's looking very weak. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Like Apple, like this strong support here. We'll see if it's gonna bounce or it can bounce here and it still reject VWAP and EMA and keep going lower. But ideally, I want to see Apple bounce because I'm in the on Q on NQ micros. So I want to see Apple bouncing. That's gonna help my play here. I just talked about Oracle like 2 minutes ago. But honestly, I don't like anything. Only Tesla and Nvidia and the Q that keep holding this support here. But if loses this support, everything's gonna die. Microsoft is gonna die because Microsoft is being acting weak. Yes, of course, it's the same. The Q and the SPY is the same. If like I said it before, if you don't wanna trade futures, just take SPY or the Q. It's the same, exactly the same. In fact, there's no different for me because I'm trading futures with SPY and the Q charts. So I don't know why you guys wouldn't like see that it's the same. Like I'm literally taking you can see that I'm playing futures with the SPY and the Q. Oh, okay. Why Oracle with Microsoft? Why they move together? Like I didn't know that. Like why like their move are related. Nice, nice. Okay, I'm gonna let's see. I'm gonna wait and see how the 15-minute candle is gonna close on the Q because it closes holding 376. It's still bullish. Under is bearish, and I'll get out, but still kind of holding even though SPY is looking pretty weak. That was a fake out. Oh, okay. Oracle had earnings yesterday, but why you guys are saying that Oracle move with Microsoft? Okay. Tesla, we want to see Tesla holding here, the 9 EMA or at least the VWAP. Yeah, so Apple is bouncing, so I think that's gonna help a little bit. SPY and the Q. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, I love this hold on this resistance here. So if the 50-minute candle closes like this, pretty bullish. The same if this 5-minute candle closes above VWAP and INEMA. Oh yeah, yeah, that was a perfect entry on NQ. This retest of previous resistance, VWAP and INEMA, perfect. And look, Apple is moving higher from this support. We want to see Apple like breaking VWAP and INEMA and use it as support now so the market can fly. Who's trading futures with me? I'm gonna start taking some profits here. Yeah. I think I found a 90% off coupon. Let's see. Hell yeah. Um, mm, mm, Where is it? No, I'm adding there. I have five again. I have never used Ninja Trader, so I can't help you with that because I'm using Tradeovate. I honestly have no idea how to use Ninja, but I know a lot of people use Ninja. So if I haven't used it, but I heard it's a 90% coupon on Apex. So if it's 90% off, I think it's a very, very good opportunity to buy a bunch of accounts, evaluation accounts, and because this is what I did when it had 80% off. What I did was I bought like 15. I already right now I have like more than 20 accounts. So I bought like 15 and then I just use them like little by little because if you let's just say you just buy one account and then you blow it off, then you're gonna have to buy another account and you're not gonna have it with 90% or 80% off. So you're gonna have to pay entirely like the entire amount, which is like over 100. Yeah, with the 90% off the 50K account, it's like $19. If you like, again, I haven't tried this 90% off. I heard it is working. If it is not working, just use save 80, which is 80% off. And it's still very cheap. Still very cheap. So I think it's definitely worth it to buy a bunch of accounts because that way um if you blow off one account, you have the other ones, and the monthly paying from here into the future is the same. Exactly the same. Yeah, it's for futures. Yeah, Apex. Yeah, so Apex is the website that give you the evaluation account. Trade of it is where you trade, and you can link TradeOvate to TradingView. So you just trade on TradingView, and it's very easy to trade on TradingView. It's just like, because I have over 20 accounts, it gets a little bit complicated on TradingView, because on TradeOvate I can make like groups and then trade each group separately. I think so, but no options. Shares. Ooh, I got distracted there. But no options, just shares. Let's see, are we gonna hold here or not? Okay, I'm out. Mm, I don't know. I don't know which one allows shares, but I know you can. There's one out there, but I don't know. Mm, 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 mm. And now we're just dancing and chopping around. uh they, like, if you don't understand anything, like, they literally have like a Q&A website, and they explain you everything with videos and everything. So just go here, you can ask here, and then you can literally type everything. And so how it, wait, mm, like, you can type anything, and they just, and you just click here. If you know nothing, go to this master training course, and then they have video for each question here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But yeah, so evaluation accounts are, you pretty much have 1 month you pay with the 90% off. You pay like $20 or maybe less, and then you have an account with 50K, but you have a threshold of 20. So basically your stop loss is 2500. So if you lose 2500, you lose that account. But the thing is, you need to make 3K in profit to pass, and you have 1 month to pass, and you pay, like, with the 90% off, you pay $20 monthly. Um gonna be all out on Tesla, Microsoft, everything. Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna hold 375. If loses 375, I'm gonna play the downside. So far, it's looking pretty weak. Let's see. Let's see. I think it's because of Apple. Yeah, I got in. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Are we gonna hold here or not? Apple is looking very weak, so that it's not gonna hold the market to hold. Damn. We're looking weak. Come on, give me a flush. Give me a flush. I think as long as we under this morning low, we're gonna go lower. Whoa. Oh yeah. 800. I already took profits on Tesla. I said I was all out on Tesla. Okay, I'm 700 up. I'm gonna start taking some profit here. It's all Apple. Apple was so weak that it's dragging the market down. Ooh, if Apple loses here, this support, it's done so. Apple needs to hold here. Like, 177. Anybody play that Head and Shoulder on Apple? That was like perfect. Perfect. I'm all out. Yeah, that's strong. Nvidia is holding 450. See. We're trying to bounce here, but I don't know. I kind of feel like adding two shorts, but yeah, I'm gonna add there because Apple is not looking too good. So I'm selling into N short, into NQ because Apple looks like it wants to go lower. Let's see, if we go higher here, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, just die. Just die. No. It's trying to hold 375. The Q. Okay. Hmm. Come on, just die. So I want to see the Q keep projecting this level here. I will say this level here. And SPY rejecting this level too. Like this level here. Go, go, died. Go, go, died. Yeah, if the Q breaks, like Q use 375 as resistance, like it's doing right now, it's done so. Yeah, same. Like Apple is the one that is dragging the market down, so we want to see Apple losing 177. I think, yeah, I think it's gonna go to 176.50. That's your next like support, and then around 176. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with my day today. Go, just die already. Apple is trying to hold 177. Mm-mm-mm. But SPY is very weak, very, very weak. And the same with the Q. But I think right now it's all about that 177 level on Apple. If Apple loses 177, the market is gonna die. Come on, SPY, just die a little bit more. You guys on shorting Apple? Are shorting Apple? Hell yeah. 176 is like a little bit of support there. And then, I'm sorry, 176.50 and then 176 and then 174. I'm up 1200. Oh, we're going here. We're going here. Spy is like trying to hold here. So this is 50. Microsoft is dead. So I only have now two runners. As long as Q is under 375, like it's under this level here, I'm holding then. And same with if Apple keeps being under 177. Nvidia is bouncing off 450. Like before, like early in the morning, Spy was weaker than the Q, because it was doing nothing. It was having a lot of troubles at pre-market high. Now it looks stronger than the Q because it's just holding. It's not losing pre-market low, and the Q is under pre-market low. I'm all out. I just don't like how SPY is holding this morning low. Nvidia is holding 450, like very good. Very, very good. Like if you see the market changing direction, like if the Q can go back up here and use it as support, Nvidia is gonna fly. Let's see what Tesla is doing now. No, it's looking weak. So Nvidia is the one that is looking the strongest one because it's holding 450. But again, you need the Q being over 375 and hold it as support. I will say not even 375. I will say 375.28, like nine where the 90 MA is. Okay, so Apple is over 177. Let's see if SPA is looking like break and retest. Okay, I like that rejection on SPY. Yeah, I got in there on ES micros. Only three. I only got three. I got on ES because I like this reaction here. Yeah. Let's go. Give me the gap fill. Like, ooh, but I see why it's SPY holding. So, okay, yesterday, SPY gap up here, 448.27, and then in the morning, try to fill this gap that it had. It has like created this gap here, like this big gap from 448.20 till 445.65. And now we have this gap here because SPY yesterday like reject this area here, went down, but it held this Friday high. Today we are at Friday high again. So we need to lose this support here. But SPY could hold here. Could. I think it's everything's gonna depend on Apple. But yeah, it was better. I should have stick to NQ because NQ is weaker than SPY. Pretty easy. The market was weak. Tesla was losing 9 EMA. Like, don't overthink it. If the market is weak and you see Tesla, like it had a bunch of wicks at the top. When you have wicks at the top, that's weakness. Like these tell me that Tesla was having a lot of trouble here, and then it lost the 9 EMA. So buy. Like there's a bunch of things you can say here. Like it's doing lower highs, lower low. It has a bunch of wicks at the top. That's why I always say it's so important to know how to read candles. If you know how to read candles, you know how to use support and resistance, you don't need, like, you don't even need the VWAP and INEMA. Like, for me, it was um this very clean rejection here. You have a lot of trouble here. So, a lot of trouble here. This is a clear bearish candle, and then you start doing lower high, lower high, lower high. That's why I always say trading is simple. Come on, Spy, just give me the flush. Give me the flush. Microsoft, super, super bearish. Bro, I should have stick to NQ. NQ is so weak. Yeah, it was beautiful. Mm, 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 mm. I'm all out. I'm pretty happy with my trade today. Crazy, crazy day. Up over 1300 on futures in total. Very good Tesla trade. Microsoft a loser, but that Tesla trade pay for it. Mm, 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 mm. Let me see. We can have a little bit more down here because SPY, it's clearly doing lower high here. Lower high, lower high, lower high. If you see SPY rejecting this previous support, now acted as resistance, that can be another entry. But I'm good for the day. Like, pretty, I'm not gonna, I don't want to stay here because I'll start over trading. So pretty happy with my trade today. Um, pretty sad with the amount of likes that I'm having. Pretty sad with that. I might need to like do less streams because I honestly trade better when I don't stream. But we'll see. We'll see. Mm, okay, so let's go over. Let's do a little bit like let's go over the trades today. So, um, I feel like getting more. Let's go. I got only two here on these bounce here. I got two to play the rest of these move for the gap fill. Um, I only got two. Only two. So, okay, let's go over the trades here. The first one. I think it was Tesla. Yeah. So, why did I took Tesla here? This. Let's go over here. So, pre-market, my plan, my watch list was Microsoft, Tesla, and Nvidia. Only three. I think it's more than enough. Only three with uh, only three with the spike QQ, that's five. So watching five charts at the same time, I think that's more than enough. That's a lot. So the first one, let's go with Tesla because it's the one that I took. Why I took Tesla? So my pre-market plan was very simple. So I said Tesla, it's crazy move yesterday, crazy strong yesterday. I want to see it holding 268, 270. Uh, this is my pre-market plan. This is my level here, 268, 270. Clear hold of that. You enter at your support. You follow your plan. You see, I saw Tesla having trouble here, making lower high. Took profit here because 62% up in profit is a lot. So why not taking profit there? Like we always need to take profit when the market keeps going your way. Okay, wait, let me see something. Let me put an alert here. Okay, I'm gonna close my future here so I can keep explaining this. Okay. I kind of like to retake Tesla here. It's holding pre-market high. Where is the 90 MA and the VWAP? And same with Nvidia is holding 450. But Apple is still under 177. Okay, let's go again. I'm not gonna take anything, so if I keep in here, I'm gonna take more trades, and that will be over trading, and I don't want to do that. So okay, Tesla. Okay, Tesla. My support here, pre-market plan, 268, 270. I wanted to see this holding. It held, got into calls, taking profit on the way up, getting all out when I saw this like weakness here, lower high, wick at the top, clear weakness, get out, be happy with your profits, awesome trade. Uh, what was the other one? The other one was futures QQQ. Futures QQQ. Okay. Why did I go with the upside here? Futures QQQ. Okay. Easy. So, futures in the morning held my level 375, pre-market low, holding. Um, played the upside, took profit, played the upside, took profit, and then I re-enter here with the break of this morning high that it was having trouble here, this resistance on pre-market. Um, this is a break here. I re-enter when it uses previous resistance as support, and then I saw it would keep having trouble here, and I got out. Pretty easy. Then the next one on futures, the big one. 317 again, pre-market low. Rejected this area here, use it as resistance, easy downside. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Use support resistance, and that's it. Pretty easy. Pretty easy, straight to the point. No need to like overcomplicate anything. Simple, very simple. Use support resistance and learn how to read the candles. That's it. So, um, okay, guys. So I'm done for the day. See you guys tomorrow again. If you want to know what I want to trade for the day pre-market, just go to my Discord and you have my entire plan before entering anything. Like that's the best way to trade. That's the easier way to trade. Having a plan beforehand, before the market open. So you don't have to go like chasing everything around. Um so yeah, I'm done for the day. Let's see. Okay, last one. HD. It's looking pretty weak. It looks like a head and shoulder also. And it's rejecting this level here. So it's clear 327. It's a level of resistance. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here again. Bye.